Hi, I got this strategy and was asked by 4 people to test it. Friends, I'm always happy to study, test, and tell you about new methods. Yesterday, I worked on the strategy and increased my account from $4 to $530. Today, I will continue working and show you how to quickly increase your account. Let's go, it will be interesting. Look carefully. Now I will configure my account to work with the strategy. I'm working on a phone, but you can easily repeat my steps on a laptop. In the strategy, I use the Heikin-Ashi chart type. The time frame will be 1 minute. I will open the list of indicators and select Keltner channel and RSI. In the settings of the Keltner channel indicator, I will leave the standard parameters for the EMA period and ITR period. I will change the multiplier to 2. I will assign a period of 7 for the RSI indicator. Great, now I can start looking for suitable situations and open trades. I'm sure you'll like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Friends, if you don't understand how to make all the settings correctly or you don't have an account on the platform, you can write to me right now and I will help you individually. Now I'm gathering my team of novice traders. It's absolutely free and we can all work together and chat in a shared chat. We are already earning from $50 to $500 daily with almost no investment, and you can do the same. Just write to me in Telegram. I will leave the link in the description of the video. I only need 5 people, please, right now, otherwise it will be too late. I will start working with the situation. It completely fits the strategy. The trade time will be 1 minute. I'll start with the amount of $300. My forecast is that the price will decrease. Now look carefully, I'll explain why I made such a forecast. I see how the price chart has reached the upper limit of the Keltner channel and pushed off from it, so a downtrend has begun. But you cannot open a trade as soon as you receive such a signal. I need to confirm it. That's why I need the RSI indicator. The indicator line shows the state of the market. Look now, the indicator line is pointed down and it has crossed the 70 level. This means that the price will decrease. As you already understood, I found the situation and checked it with the help of indicators. I think the trade will be profitable. Let's look at it to the end. And if you want to work with a reliable broker, I recommend registering with the broker I work with. The link will be in the video description. Great, the first profitable trade, my capital has increased to the amount of $806. Not bad, right? But there are still a few trades ahead, so I continue to work. The situation is ambiguous. Let's open a trade and explain why. The trade amount will be $50. I don't want to risk more money. Now let's look at the situation in more detail. In this case, I opened a trade a little earlier than I received the indicator signals. It's important that both indicators give a signal. I see that the price chart has almost pushed off from the upper limit, but the bars are still close and green. In addition, the RSI indicator line is still above the 70 level. It didn't cross it. Now I'll formulate the basic rules of work. It's important before opening a trade that the line of the RSI indicator has a direction towards a new trend. In a downtrend, the line should be directed downwards and necessarily cross the 70 level from top to bottom. In an uptrend, the opposite is true. It's also important that at least a few candlesticks close in the direction of the new trend on the price chart. By adhering to these rules, you will reduce the percentage of unprofitable trades to a minimum. The trade is unprofitable. The price didn't start to decrease, but continued to rise. I hope you will remember the situation and will not make such mistakes in your work. Now I will make a trade amount of $600. My forecast is that the price will rise. I press the green button to open the trade. I see that the price chart has pushed off from the lower limit of the Keltner channel and the price has started to rise. Several green bars have already closed. The RSI indicator also gave a signal. The indicator line crossed the level 30 from bottom to top. Both of these signals make it clear to me that there is an uptrend in the market. I'm confident in the reliability of the situation. I will give one piece of advice to novice traders. You don't need to invest all your capital in one trade. It's better to open several trades but for smaller amounts. This way you can minimize the risks. In the case of a losing trade, you will not lose all your capital and you will still have the amount to open new trades. If you haven't yet chosen a broker to work with, then go to the description and register with a reliable broker that I work with. Well, great, the price went up and I made a profit. That's how easily my account balance reached the amount of $1,308. As you can see, all the basic conditions are met. The price pushed off from the Keltner channel boundary. The RSI indicator line crosses the 70 level. I recommend taking such situations into work. Let's wait for the trade to be completed. Let's see what the result will be. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then it's time to do it. Great, friends, I've made a profit again. I was able to increase my capital now. I have $2,228 in my account. I recommend that you try this strategy in your work. I'm sure you will succeed. This concludes the trading session. I was able to increase my capital. Now I have $2,228 in my account. I recommend that you try this strategy in your work. I'm sure you will succeed. This concludes the trading session. See you.